That's right, Madlam. Well, I guess we found something you're not better at.
Here we go, guys, up at Baily's Hyperformance. Let's see if we can find the man himself. What's going on, Junior? Where's the crew? Oh, I see him up there on the computer. What's going on, brother? How you doing today?
Good.
It's good to see you, man. What you working on here?
Getting this 4.5 Whipple Hellcat dialed in.
Oh, it's a 4.5 Whipple.
Yeah.
Is this a red eye?
No, it's a regular Hellcat with red eye badges.
Okay. Yeah. That's the big boy right there. No. Go ahead. I want to see you make some pulls on it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure everybody's interested in you making pulls with this thing.
Yeah, we're going to see. We're going to do a little bit of driving and a short pull and see how it does.
Okay. So how did it look?
Good, man. This thing's getting down nasty.
That's a big supercharger, man.
Yeah,
it's big.
Yeah, they put out a lot of torque.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm at I30 Dragway with Bailey's Performance. Boom, boom, the bearded warrior. I think James is getting everything all set up, so the race team is here. What's up, brother? Hey man, my beard gonna grow today. It's getting kind of tight.
I know. Today, as soon as you leave here, it's gonna be another 3 inches.
It's gonna be another 3 inches. Hey, but my bald hair is growing long. It's growing long. Man, this dude right here is crazy, y'all. So what do you got in store today?
So we're at I30 Dragway. We're just gonna really try to acquire some more data. We're gonna make some trans changes and see if we can cram some more nitrous down it.
Have you been on this track before?
I have. Pull the chute.
Pull the chute?
Pull the chute and land on the brakes. Helmet Tom
Pull
Cruise.
the chute. Wait a minute. Hey man, he talking Top Gun. He coming in on the darn Harrier. Jump jet. What are you doing, man? So from my understanding, most people do their chute full speed, then they pop the chute, then come out of the accelerator.
Yeah.
But they do it right before they cross the I'm gonna let him explain it.
So usually about 20-30 feet out before the finish, we'll throw the handle, because that'll give some time for the chute to kind of deploy, come out, air catch it, and then once I feel it tug, we just let off the gas and let it coast.
There you go.
So this right here, we've got all of our main race stuff up top on the controls.
Okay.
So we'll have arm for nitrous, that's going to turn everything on. We'll have the nitrous fuel. We'll have the water pump for the ice tank in the back. This is going to be it's going to run pumps 2 and 3 on the 4 Innovations kit.
Okay.
So before we go in the burnout box, the main things that you want to make sure are on for this first pass is going to be the water pump and the second and third pumps.
Okay.
Okay. And then from here, we'll have bottle heaters if we need them, and then when we're ready for nitrous,
turn the nitrous on.
This is your purge.
Okay, so this is your purge, okay.
Yep.
It's not down here, it's up here, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll do everything up there. But
now will these stay lit, correct?
Yeah, so all these are color-coded, so we'll have arm when we're turning the nitrous on, and then we'll run the water pump, which is blue, because it's cold, and then the secondary pumps, 2 and 3, and then these are bottle heaters, which we won't have those on while we're going through, but then this is your nitrous fuel system when we need that. So, and then everything's here. So we got a Pro Max. The Pro Max is going to control all of our stages. You're on a Holley, we have to use this. So we're going to use our nitrous settings here. So
from Nitrous Outlet Pro Max, right.
So we'll do T1 as our soft launch for testing, all the way up to T5. So we ran a 782 on T3.
Wow.
Which is like right in the middle. It was just supposed to get up, out of the line, and then progress in. So by the 60 foot, it's all in. T5, by the 30 foot, it's all in.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, so, brother.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Let me, hey man, let me get out this man's way so he can set this thing up. Hey y'all, look who I got with me. I got my darling baby right here supporting me. Ooh, you can't even see it. Can you turn your light on? There we go, now we can see it.
It's usually you we can't see.
Hey, wait a minute. Good Lord, man, it's been a skinny man in this car. Come on, man. You know, I got them long hairs on my balls from snatching so I can tie it. I just tie it down. Hey, y'all, check it out, man. Hey, y'all see this right here? Chris Baily, he done popped my cherry, y'all. He popped my cherry with the parachute, but it was everything I love because it had Texas on it.
Yep.
It's got the Texas flag. Y'all better look out. This ain't no New York City. Chris, this ain't no New York City, is it? New York City?
No.
Get the hell out of here with this.
Not today.
Not today.
Too much car for the track.
Hey, man, where can they find you at, Chris Baily?
Baily's Hyperformance.
Hold on, talk to the people. Where can they find you?
Baily's Hyperformance, 12817 Harmon Road in Fort Worth, Texas. Fastest cars come out of Texas, but
There you go. What's your IG, your Instagram?
Baily's_Hyperformance is the Instagram, and also the same for YouTube.
What about TikTok?
I don't know. I'm trying out TikTok. I don't know yet. I'm seeing how it is. I'm still so confused looking at it. I'm like, I don't understand it. So man, I'm trying to get on the TikTok.
Hey, man, what's your MySpace?
Chris.Baily0513. That was my MySpace.
What's your MySpace, man?
I gotta update my music on there though, you know.
Hey, man, he on the MySpace, man. All right, hey, James, I appreciate you, man.
Good to see you, sir.
Appreciate you, Chris.
All right, we'll see you.
All right, take care, brother.
Easy.
Look at here, y'all. My beard didn't get a chance to grow. He said, get out of here. Your beard is too tight and nappy. Woo, we out, baby.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.